Thank you very much. Stephen there. Thank you for listening there. We love you.
I must say it's very nice for us to be playing in New Haven this evening, and we're very pleased to be here. The other side of the story is this is the last date in our current US tour, so we're obviously very excited about going home, as well as we're certainly going to miss this country because we've had a hell of a time over here. Thank you very much. Just a bit of kind of tuning up noise. That's a very harmonic thing to hear, actually. I don't know whether you've been to a concert recently and remember them all kind of... Anyway, this is another track from our current Atlantic release called the Yes album, and this is possibly the last song from us this evening, and this is also the last song on the album from us. So we'd like to continue here with a song called Perpetual Change. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Disaster gazing down on you and me.
on drums there. Thank you for listening. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
And we'll see you soon.
Yes, good night from Yes. Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much, everybody, for enjoying.
We have to go, so we'll see you.
Thank you.
Good night and thank you very much.
Yeah, good night. Have a good time with Grand Funk.